Hey guys, Tennessee Cruising Mom here. I am planning for another cruise. I'm actually packing this weekend. I leave Tuesday on Carnival and going to two of their private islands. So I wanted to show you something. A lot of times when you are out in the heat, especially in the Bahamas, Caribbean, you just want to like wipe your face off or wash your hands a little bit, that sort of thing. And all you have is those brown, gross paper towels, or sometimes, depending on where you are, you have nothing. So I wanted to show you what I picked up. These are bamboo compressed towels, right? They're eco-friendly, bamboo fiber. They're actually really good for sensitive skin too. Super absorbent. I've tried others that are not as nice as these. And they are disposable, but they also compost because they're natural bamboo. Wanted to show you. If you have kids, you need something like this. We went to a few different countries and oh my gosh, it was a blessing, let's just say. So I've already opened this, but it comes with 100 little tablets. They're literally like the size of a dime. And then it also comes with this carrier. I haven't used this carrier. I just throw these in my bag and in my toiletry bag, but it does come with this carrier. Let's open it. Here we go. Oh, it says Morgiana, Modern Unique Living. So that is the brand, Marciana. And there you go. That looks like it'd probably hold about 10. I've not used it before, but it actually would be really good to lock onto your backpack. All right. So I have some water here. I wanted to show you how it works. I also take these to concerts to wipe my face. I am in the Nashville area, and I don't know. I strongly advise these, especially again if you have kids. So here's some water. I'm going to drop it in. That's it. You can wring it out. And this one is really nice because it's very heavy and it's about the size of a washcloth. I have had others that have been half this size and kind of too fibrous, almost like a paper towel that was kind of disintegrating. But these are really nice. I can see the window behind. Very tough. You have a kid, you need to wash their hands. If you need to wash your hands, wash your face, diaper issue, anything like that, and you don't have any wet wipes, this is actually sturdy enough to help with that too. So highly advise it. They're always in our bag, and you get 100 in one order. So, all right, just wanted to share. All right, travel wisely.